Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use vertical align in Google Sheets. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my document in my Google Sheets and I'm going to apply the vertical line to the first row. Okay, and we can go to this menu guys. You can select this icon and it says vertical align. You can click on this menu and here you will have three options: top, middle, and bottom. And I'm going to try it one by one. Okay, let me try top. Okay, it will look like this. As you can see that the text will be on the top of my cell. And let's try middle. Okay, and I'm going to try bottom as well. And I'm going to make it middle, and for the horizontal line I'm going to make it center. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use vertical align in Google Sheets. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.